Hey guys, it's the first YouTube video. It's Isaac Tech Tips for you. Today we're going to be unboxing MacBook Air, MacBook Air 13-inch. And this is going to be a review for those of you who are going back to school, university, college, whatever it is. I don't know. I don't care. But I'm just trying to show you, this is a university edition, trying to show you what it is that you could get for really cheap with the student discount at $8.99. I'm playing with a knife. I shouldn't be playing with a knife. Let's set it down. So let's get to the unboxing. And here we are. I'm savage at this. The good thing about Apple, what they did was we had to order this because all the Apple stores around weren't open. So it wasn't the worst. It wasn't the worst wait time. They didn't actually confirm that this was coming. Obviously, we got. Oh yeah. So you can get free AirPods with your order. I think it's a limited time. It's a limited time thing or whatever that they're doing right now. So you can get AirPods Generation 1 that you can engrave or personalize whichever way you want. And you can, with the purchase, I think it has to be a MacBook or it has to be an iPad or something like that. Either way, they approved the AirPods faster than they did the Mac, which was really interesting. But it did come really fast. So if you're looking to get this within the span of 3 days, 3 to 4 days, and you have like a quick turnaround, you can get this pretty fast, relatively fast. So let's unbox it. Oh, yes. There we go. You just know that feeling that you get when you just have something that costs a lot of money. And you're just like, I just want to keep it in this box. But alas, it has to be useful. So I got a MacBook Air 13-inch rose gold because it is what it is. So MacBook 13-inch Intel Core i3, 1.1 gigahertz. We're gonna go into the specs later on, but this is just the unboxing. Let's go. Just gotta love the way that Apple does their. Oh, they even have this. That's pretty cool. Ah, so you don't have. I don't even need the knife. Oh yeah, that's just ASMR right there. Oh god, look at that. Yeah, that's so beautiful. That was actually quite amazing. That was slightly enticing to me. Here we go. We're just gonna open it for the first time. Let me preface this by saying I do have a MacBook Pro, but for you guys, this is what we'll be reviewing, and this is how it would open up for you. The rose gold looks beautiful, gently wrapped in Apple's ceramic film. Oh yes, Apple does know how to wrap a good MacBook. You just know how to make it feel so premium. Look at that. It actually looks like the Pro. It looks like the 2016 Pro. Very lightweight. No blemishes on it, no scars, nothing. This looks beautiful. This looks absolutely beautiful. So for those of you who wouldn't normally get a rose gold, I think it looks quite nice. Look at that. Obviously you get the quintessential designed by Apple California, as you do with the little stuff that nobody ever reads. Amazing. Okay, then they give you, okay, yeah, of course, you have your 30 watts USB-C charger, which is standard, which is really good. This is great. You have your USB-C charger connector, which can actually double for other things as well. So it's, I mean, that's pretty cool. Is there anything more? I usually find that when I do these unboxings, I tend to want more to be there. I don't know if Apple could just like put some candy or something just right under here. Like when I open it, I could just like have like a Mawam or I don't know, like a Rizzler or something, just to say thank you for spending $1,000 on our products. But whatever. But here we go. This is the unboxing. This is what you'd get. And thank you for watching. And we'll go into the specs later on.